Hello students, Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. Class 11, CBSE, ICSE, UP board. Whatever the type of the board is, this question is available for each and every type of the board. This is question is this: if there are two GP, in two GPs, term Tn1 is equal to term Tn2. It means nth term where Tn, find the n value of n, where Tn1 is the nth term of the first GP, and with GPs 5, 10, 20 up to nth term, and Tn2 is the nth term of the GP 120, 640, 320 up to nth term. It means we are having two GP. One is this. First one is 5, 10, 20 and so on up to nth term. n term, ठीक है. Similarly, the second one is दूसरी हमारी GP जो ये भी एक GP है. This is also GP and this is also GP. This is the first term is 280, second is 640, third is 320 and so on up to nth term. These are the terms of GP we are given. दो GP हमें दे रखी हैं. कंडीशन ये है कि इसकी दोनों पहले की टर्म नंबर n और दूसरी की दोनों बराबर है. तो जनरल वे में Tn1, this can be written as, first is the, we are treating one number as a suffix to show that this is the term of the first GP. Number of terms of both the GPs are same, is equal to, ये हो जाएगा, this is a r to the power n minus 1 as per the formula, where a will be equal to 5 first term and r will be equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2. Okay, it means t and 1, this will be equal to 5 into 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, and t2, similarly t and 2, this is the term, nth term of the second term, and 2 is the suffix to represent that we are taking another GP. In place of the first, we are taking second one. In this case, we can write it as per this formula, a into r to the power n minus 1, where यहाँ a किसके बराबर होगा, a will be equal to 1280 and r will be equal to 640 upon 1280, that is 1 by 2. It means this will become a is equal to 120 into r to the power n, or 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1, because r is equal to 1 by 2. They both are equal to each other. दोनों एक दूसरे के बराबर है. So why don't we pick this? It means this will be equal to this. T1 will be equal to T2. This is a T1 and this is T2. They both are equal. Putting these two equal will get what? यहाँ देखिए. It means we can say, because T term number first का is equal to term number 2 n2 के बराबर है, so that we can write, हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 5 into 2 की पावर n minus 1, this will be equal to, ये बराबर होगी 1280 upon 2 to the power n minus 1. Clear? It is very much clear. अब इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो 5 को लेके जाइए, 5 से इसको काट दीजिए, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो सकता है और 5 कट जाएगा, तो 2 की पावर n माइनस 1 से 5 को अगर डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो ये भी 5 से डिवाइड होगा. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 15 and 6, ठीक है, 256 अपॉन 2 की पावर n माइनस 1 आएगा. क्लियर? इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, 2 की पावर 2 times n minus 1, this will equal to 2 to the power 256 and 256 can be converted in terms of the power of 2 as 2 to the power 8. Okay, because they both are having the same base. यहाँ भी 2 की पावर है, यहाँ भी 2 की पावर है. इसका मतलब 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 8. It means n minus 1 is equal to 4. It means n is equal to 5. This is the answer. n की वैल्यू 5 होगी. वेरी इजी. 2 जीपी दे रखी है. एक में एक का पहला मेंबर 5 है. कॉमन रेशियो 10/5 2 है. दूसरे का फर्स्ट टर्म 1280 है. कॉमन रेशियो 1/2 है. दोनों की वैल्यूज आपस में बराबर है. एन की वैल्यूज निकालनी है. यहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन आपको करना है. ये आपको इजी पड़ेगा. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. 256 हो गए 8 की 2 की पावर 8. ओके, इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. याद कीजिए इसको, समझिए इसको, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू. गुड नाइट, स्वीट ड्रीम्स.